restoration. Ripped all the old stuff out, which I had video of until my phone got deleted. So just gonna show you what's going on. It was a bathroom, just plain white. There was a little wall here, ripped that out. All the old white cheap square tiles that cheapest kind you can buy. Ripped all those out. Floor wasn't leveled over here. Used about a 5-gallon bucket of mortar under there to bring up my backer board from the dip. Cutting out some holes in the drywall. We're gonna make 2 shelves. I went 11 inches high. You can see how I marked them out. I'm gonna cut those out so we'll be able to put like that stuff over there in the wall. I'm gonna try to do the same here in the shower. Gonna retile everything, make it all upgraded. So, hole cut out in the wall on one of them, 2x4s laid all the way around, wiring going through the wall. Got that piece of drywall put up, and I also decided to go with backer board underneath the shower pan, just in case in the future. The person who built this house 10 years ago had some leakage there, so I've seen a little bit of corrosion into the wood, mold or whatever you want to call it. So I don't want that same mistake to happen. A lot of sanding over here, getting the wall flat to how we want it. Shower pan liner base built around that edge. Third switch, which was a lot of work. There's a hidden transformer inside of here. Wires running all the way down and around under the drywall, going up into the shelving that we've made, and the switch ignites the LED lights. So that's going to be really cool, and we're going to keep them going through the wire in the wall all the way through, and you get the idea. There'll be one more shelf in there, and those lights will light. Lots of puttying and sanding over here. Almost got it to the smoothest layer. Got 2 layers over there on the shelves. You can see they're coming along. Also extending the wall. You see that little corner, extending it out because the new shower is going to be 48 inches this way, where it used to be only 36. 2x4 support behind there, and slapped a piece of drywall. 5th layer of sanding over here. I wish it'd hurry up and get done. We're moving the shower head from this area to that area. Got most of it done, and just need one more elbow there. Got the wall extended. Also, don't forget to put in support beams if you're doing it yourself. Where your shower glass door is going to be screwed into the wall. That's what those 2 bars are right there. Put on my PVC pipes and installed the 3-piece drain flange in place. Almost ready to start putting in my shower pan. And I realized that my floor wasn't leveled, so I put 2 50-pound bags of self-leveling underlayment on here. So got the floor all leveled. Now we're gonna start shower curb all built up, 2x4s, liquid nails, and mounted. Got my pre-pitched sticks inserted with my lathe, ready to throw mortar in for my pre-slope. My sand topping mix, and I got my pre-slope all leveled and ready for the shower pan liner. Next step. My mortar put in my shower pan, shower curb cut out, backer board all the way around, and we're ready to most of the shower walls up except for this section right here, and cut the hole out, and we got the niche cut out. Also installed the new cartridge for the new shower faucet, took out the old one. Old light fixture that was mounted on the wall, and installed 3 light pendants and wired them in through the attic and tapped in the center of the wall, patching all the fiberglass mesh tape put in on all the cracks and lines. Also all the backer board put in on the niche, and the LED lights installed. The modified white thin set mortar to butter up my curb. All the cracks, joints, and all the little holes in my niche. Red Guard waterproofing membrane, 3 coats on my shower walls, and we're about ready for tiling. 2x2 inch tile stuck with mortar to the floor. My slope is great, water will drain perfectly. Also 2x2 inch tile stuck on the back of my niche, and I've added a strip of drywall for my edge. Day 1 of shower tiling took about 4 hours. A little bit more to go.
replumbing the hot and cold water into the wall, also the drain pipe, hiding it into the wall so we could put in a wall-mounted vanity.
Day 1, floor tile. Day 2, floor tile. Floor, shower pan, and the niche all grouted up. Got the entire bathroom painted white how I want it. Put all the floor trim in and caulked. 3 hanging pendant lights installed. The toilet fully installed. Also some shelving put up on the wall. Cut and mortared all the tiles in the shower pan. Also, the entire shower pan is now mounted with the Schluter trim. Shower is grouted, shower faucet handle, and shower head installed. We're gonna call this bathroom fully complete. I finished caulking all the walls. Really thick piece of glass, so it had to be on both sides. The shelf is full of fresh cologne. Just kidding. But everything's all clean. I just have to like vacuum up the little specks or whatnot, so don't mind that stuff. But just showing off the end of the job, end of the work. So got the curtain all cleaned up. That was really dusty, so that's about it. So we got a nice little bench over here. Picked this up for about $150 on, I think it was wayfair.com. Don't quote me, but I looked up bench storage. You'll see all kinds of these. This one's a microfiber black, if you're looking for something specific like that. It's just plain modern design. Sink was done, of course. Had to caulk all around that. Did get a little bit of cracking. So if you get a little bit of cracking, I'll try to zoom in. You're just gonna put that, I could have used white caulk, but it's not something you're ever gonna notice. So that's about it. So that's the end of the video. And it's hard for me to take a picture of the entire thing. So that's why I'm just gonna keep zooming all the way around. So enjoy the show. That's it. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.